everybody. Once again, here I am with my dish rag in green, because today I'm going to be making, in commemoration of St. Patrick's, I'm going to be making a shepherd's pie. And this is the only green thing that I could find, even though it's not the correct green, but this is what I found. I already have a shepherd's pie on my channel. It's a sweet shepherd's pie. I'll put the link at the end of the video so you can go and take a look at it if you want to see it. It's very interesting. Okay, so I'm going to start with 1 pound 16 ounces of ground beef, lean ground beef, and 1 onion, and the Idaho potatoes. A little bit of vegetable oil, and turn on the stove. So we can saute the onions. 1 medium onion. The meat, it's still kind of frozen. It will be frosted. Okay, we're gonna add some garlic powder. And lemon pepper. Sage. Some ginger. And coriander. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of ketchup. Now this is my own recipe. And I'm going to also add some stone ground mustard. Just a tiny bit of that. Just like that. Okay, another thing I'm going to add, paprika, smoked paprika. And why not? Let's also add turmeric. Give it a really pretty color. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it and just let it cook there for a few minutes till it's completely cooked. The ground beef is ready. Let me just add some salt, which I did not, and it needs. Let me just put it to the side. And I'm going to make the potatoes in this burner here. Okay, so here we go with the potatoes. I have 6 potatoes, and I'm gonna put them to boil. Let's add some salt. Okay, and now we'll just wait. We'll wait till they're done. And now I'm gonna add to the ground beef, I'm gonna add some vegetable. Usually what it takes is just peas and carrots, but I did not have peas and carrots. No, I did not. I couldn't find it in the grocery store, so I bought these mixed vegetables. It has corn, carrots, peas, green beans, and lima beans. So we're gonna add this here. They're frozen, so they're already cooked. Okay, it's about half of this package. Cover it so the vegetables will defrost. Okay, so I have 2 bunches of leek onions, and with the leek onions, I'm gonna decorate the top of the shepherd's pie. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop it in small pieces. So here are the leek onions that I chopped. Okay, so the potatoes are done, and I'm gonna put them in here and mash them. Put a dab of butter. I put a little bit of the potato water, the one that they were baked in, they were boiled in. And let's put another dab of butter. Potatoes. I'm also gonna put some cream cheese, and I'm gonna try this Philadelphia chives and onion cream cheese. We're gonna put some of this. Put some more cream cheese. Okay, let me go ahead and finish mashing everything else. All I'm going to be putting is a little bit of the water, which it shouldn't need that much more. Butter, maybe I put another 2 more little dabs of butter, and maybe a little bit more cream cheese. I will let you know. Okay, so the first thing, the potatoes already mashed, and I put 1 more dab of butter and 1 teaspoon more of the cream cheese and chive and onion. So at the bottom of the dish, I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese. It's not gonna stick, but you know, it's just a little nice touch when you serve it. And we're gonna put 1 layer of mashed potato. My mother used to make this all the time and we loved it. Everybody loved it. Okay, now we're gonna put the ground beef. The ground beef and vegetables. Now I'm gonna put, let's add some more Parmesan cheese here. And now the top layer of the mashed potato. Okay, now I'm gonna put some cheese over it. I'm gonna put this Cheddar and Monterey cheese, which is what I have. I still have a little bit left. Just gonna sprinkle it over. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna broil it because I just want the cheese to melt. Put it on here. And put it in broil. And let's put it for 6 minutes and see what happens. I'll keep checking on it. Okay, so we're gonna take it out of the oven right now. Let me get it. So look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. What do you think about that? It looks absolutely delicious. I'm sure it is too. So now I'm gonna just put some of the leek onion over it, just so it will make it look more St. Patrick's-y. Now I'm gonna wait a few minutes and cut it. So I forgot to tell you, I had to put it for an additional 5 minutes. So it was 6 minutes and then I added 5 more minutes, a total of 11 minutes. And maybe we can add some paprika too, make it even more colorful. Yes, absolutely nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it. And serve it. The first slice is always the hardest one. Okay, it didn't come out too pretty. Yeah. And there you have it. In commemoration of St. Patrick's, the shepherd's pie. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other video. And until the next time, may God bless you and goodbye.